The idea is to create paneling.
A video camera converts the picture into a television signal.
I am recording this with the worst camera I've got here. It looks great. The camera does no justice for it whatsoever. The battens look amazing. You can see a couple of paint lines which I'm going to touch up now. I'd just like to thank everybody who has come over to check out this video of my bedroom redesign that I've done on a budget. This is the first time that I've completely done up a bedroom, so I'm pretty happy with the results that I have created. Sure, it's probably going to change over time and some things I'm not 100% happy with, but for now it works, it suits my needs, and everybody who uses this room is very happy with it. All the links for products and things I bought will be in the description below, so please go and check them out if you'd like to use anything yourself. I forgot to mention that this bed is actually an ottoman bed, which is pretty useful, to be honest with you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate every single one of you who has come along. Please make sure to smash the like button and comment down below any suggestions you have about the room, any queries you have. I'm really interested in everything you guys have to say. Adios, my Miss Amigos, and I shall see you guys all in the next video, which will be up very soon. Goodbye.
The end.
Like this video!